Students, welcome to you all. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to you all on the IMS Gate Academy platform. In today's class, we are going to continue the system properties and we'll start continuous time LTI system, that is convolution operator. But before that, you all need to reply. Am I audible, guys? Just do reply fast. Voice is clear to you? Yes or no? Purushottam. Shubhankar says that good afternoon. Yes. So generally we always start the class at 11, but today we are having some technical issue, so that is why the class is going to be delayed. Okay, I think many students are waiting also. So sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Now I think you have already replied. The voice is clear to you. Audio, video, everything is perfect. Yes. So let's start the topic. In the last class, we have seen some properties: linear, non-linear system, time variant, invariant system, causal, non-causal system, and we have also seen some gate problems based on the same. I think this slide we have already completed. This memoryless also we have discussed, even some gate questions also we have discussed. I think this was the last question of the last session. Purushottam Vedehi, just confirm this. Just confirm. I think this was the last question of last class, beta. Yes or no? All of you guys do reply fast. वॉइस कम है क्या? वॉइस थोड़ा कम है यार, क्या बात. चलिए, I will try to speak loudly. I think there is some. You just do reply in chat box whether voice is less or okay. You just guide whether it is mic problem or what. We have to. Okay. So all of you guys just do reply. Shall we go for next now? Yes. Okay. So I will try to speak more loudly, guys. Okay. So next property is stable unstable system. How to decide whether the system is stable or unstable? We have to use the concept of BIBO. It means if you are providing a bounded input, to a system, and if the system output will also be a bounded, signal, then you can say that the system is a stable system. So whenever the system is stable, it always follow BIBO concept. It means if I want to check whether the system equation is stable or not, so whenever system equation is given to you, where yt and xt equation is given to you, so you just need to replace your input signal with a bounded signal. It means if y is representing output and x is representing as an input signal, then you have to replace x of t as a u of t, sin of t, cos of t, because those sin t, cos t, ut are the bounded signals. So if you are providing a bounded signal, then you have to check the output signal nature, and whether if the output signal is also having bounded nature, then we can comment the signal is stable, the system is stable. Now suppose that, let me take one example. If my system equation is this, guys, yt equal to txt. If it is my system equation, this is the first example, and if I want to check whether this system equation is stable or not, whether my system is stable or not. So for the system, I know that xt is representing my input signal, x of t is representing my input, and y of t representing my output. Yes or no? Now what I can do, I can just use the BIBO concept. BIBO concept says that I have to replace the input signal xt as a bounded signal. So if I will replace my xt as a bounded input as a ut, then my yt equation will look like this. Yt equation is nothing but tut. And do you know, if I will draw the curve of tut, or by using the mathematical equation itself, if I will put the value t tends to infinity, then u infinity will become 1, but this t infinity is infinity, so infinity into 1 is nothing but infinity. So the linear curve, it is a ramp signal, so yt is nothing but a unbounded signal. Now what is the definition of unbounded signal, guys? Shubhankar Raut, I had text regarding your. Welcome, brother Shubhankar, welcome. Yesterday I also got a text message of one student. So Shubhankar, you only message yesterday? Yesterday I got a message. Yesterday you only sent the message? Okay. So student, don't worry about that. At the IMS Gate Academy, many students are messaging me that, sir, I want the content of Ankur Sharma, sir. I want the content of Ankur Sharma. So student, जब मैं बात करता हूँ तो मैं उनको लिखता हूँ कि हाँ, I am the only Ankur sir, and I have already started signal and system on the IMS Gate Academy platform. Okay. So Subhankar, one more. I think one girl, one of my student from Andhra, she has messaged me. So I have also shared the playlist of signals and system, IMS Gate Academy. So that is why I am asked for you. Shubhankar, I think maybe you earlier you have messaged me. Okay. Thank you so much, Shubhankar, for famous playlist. Very nice, Shubhankar. Yes. I know that playlist is now, it's not हाँ, publicly available, already posted on YouTube. Very good, very good, very good, Shubhankar. Thank you. चलिए, so what do you mean by unbounded term? This unbounded term means whenever a signal goes to infinity at any value of time instant, it will make the signal unbounded. So that is why what we can say that, sir, we have applied xt as a bounded, we have applied xt as a bounded input, but we are generating yt as a unbounded signal, yt as a unbounded signal. It signifies that this system is unstable, sir. This signifies this, the signal is unstable, sir. I hope it is clear to you, beta. Shall we go for next, pyare bachcho? हाँ या ना? So whenever any system equation will be there, if you wish to comment on the stability of a system, Purushottam, just do reply now. Voice is clear or not? Do reply, Purushottam. Just do reply. So how to check, dear student? You just need to replace the input signal xt with a unit step signal ut or sin t or cos t, because we know that sin t is also having a constant oscillation, never goes to infinity. Cos t is also having the constant oscillation as far as time t tends to infinity. So bounded signal only. Chali. So I can say that my first system equation representing unstable system. Unstable system. What about this, guys? So yt equal to xt plus 2. If I will replace xt as a u of t, then ut is having the finite value 1 and 2 is nothing but the dc value. So ultimately yt will have the constant value only at all the time instant. Yt never goes to infinite at any time instant of t. Yt never goes to. Vedai is told that, voice is clear. Very good, Vedai, shabash. So that is why this system equation is nothing but stable only. This system equation is nothing but stable only. Yes or no, bacha? Chaliye. So now let's go for the next. Yt equal to xt plus 2t. It means what? Sir, here if you will replace xt as a bounded input ut plus 2t, but because of this t nature, because of this linear nature, when you will put infinity, it will become infinity. Infinity plus something is infinity. That will make the system unstable. That will make the system unstable. That will make the system unstable. Yes or no? Now what about this, guys? So for this equation, yt representing output, x2 representing input. So can I replace x2 as a input signal ut? Yes, sir, we can. Yes, sir, we can. So if I will replace this, my equation will be look like this. Yt equal to minus infinity to t u tau d tau, u tau d tau. So if I talk about u tau value is 1, then ultimately your limit will be 0 till you get t into d tau. So when you will integrate now, you will get t to 0 to t and 0 to t. Here is tau actually. Here is tau, because tau is the variable. So here you will get tau 0 se leke t. So t minus 0 and u of t, because it is right side only. So you will get actually ramp signal. And we also know that the integration, running integration of a step signal is nothing but a ramp signal. And ramp signal, by the way, unbounded. Ramp signal, by the way, unbounded, and it will make this system unstable. That will make this system unstable. It is also a gate question, guys. So I think this is clear to you. Is it clear, beta Purushottam Vedai? Are you able to write parallelly in the class? You should focus on the classroom notes. Try to write down parallelly in the class. If it is possible, you can use 2 pen also, so that student in future, whenever you will see your classroom notes, you will feel proud that what amazing notes you have created. So student, just do reply. Shall we go for next? Whenever you will reply, then only will go for the next. And you can also do one thing, student, honestly you need to do. If you actually feel that from my classes you are getting benefit, then just there is only one way to say thanks, and the way is what? You need to share your experience as maximum as possible, okay, so that all the needy student will get the link of the live classes and they will do better in their lives. Okay बच्चों, so ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, सब तक पहुंचाना है. चलिए, shall we go for next? Just do reply now. वेदई पुरुषोत्तम, जरा जोर से बोल के बताओ. चलिए सर आगे. Okay. So yt equal to minus infinity to t x to cos to. Now this is my question to Purushottam and Vedai and all the other students. Try to give your attempt and tell me, try to give your true attempt guys, x2 cos2 d2, x2 cos2 d2, yeah. Now student, if I talk about the stability now, then if a system equation will give me unbounded result at any value, any one bounded input, then it will be referred as a unstable only. We can't say that ki sir, if I will provide the ut as a input, then it is working as a stable. But if I will provide sin t as a input, then it will not give me the bounded signal. If system gives you, if system will provide you unbounded signal at any single bounded input, then also it will referred as a unstable signal only. इसका मतलब ये कि किसी भी एक इनपुट पे भी अगर आउटपुट मेरा अनबाउंडेड आ गया तो सिस्टम जो है, द सिस्टम विल बी रेफर एज ए अनस्टेबल ओनली. So dear student, just let me know, because the other signal is nothing but cos tau, so shall I also once take x2 as a cos tau? I can take u2 also, I can take sin tau also. I am just putting, because this is a cos tau and here I have a opportunity to create cos square. And why I am creating cos square? Because when I will apply the trigonometry, I will get 1 plus cos 2 tau upon 2. So you should tell me, dear student, here what you will get. You will get here x2 equal to cos of tau. Here you will get x2 equal to, if I am just putting the input signal xt as a cos tau, this is my input signal, I am just assuming, I have just let it, okay. So if I will assume this, then what I will get here? I will get minus infinity to t cos of tau dot cos of tau. I have applied bounded input guys. I am applying bounded input and looking for to check the output signal. I have applied a bounded input. So here I will get sir minus infinity to t cos tau. It means I can say that it is cos square actually, and cos square I should write 1 plus cos 2 tau upon 2 yeah, into dt. So student, this is also your presence of mind that sir, if I will integrate the first term, 1 by 2 is already outside. So first term will give me actually tau. Here is that variable is tau. The first term will give me tau and the upper limit minus the limit minus infinity to t. However, the other value also will come some, and we can also apply upper limit, lower limit. But my concern is only for this term. Because this term, when I will apply the upper limit, lower limit, this term will give me the term of t. And tell me, dear student, at t place, whenever you will put infinity, it goes to infinity only. So it means need not to do this like this only. The first term only will give you linear nature. T matlab linear nature. So it means the system equation is nothing but unstable only. So the system equation is nothing but unstable only. How many of you are getting this? Just do reply fast. Just do reply fast, beta. Purushottam, kya baat hai? Vedai, you are getting or not? And I am telling you, it is nothing but a previous year gate. It is a PYQs of gate exam. Yes, it is a gate PYQs, guys. Just do reply. Shall we go for next? All of you guys, just do reply. Shall we go for next? Be active, alert, and energetic. Chaliye. Guys, do reply fast. N or next or W. N stands for next, W stands for wait. As you know, in my class, I am generally using this small or short terminology. Chaliye bataiye. Now, the next property will, after that, the gate question will come from the properties of system, and then we will start, in today's class only, we will start continuous time LTI system introduction part. Okay, we have a next part also, CT-LTI system part 2, where we will have a detailed discussion on the PYQs of the convolution, and again we have part 3 also. Okay, so don't worry, each and every topic, whenever I will pick any topic, we'll try to cover all the concept, all the good examples, all the even PYQs based on that in the classroom itself, so that your classroom notes will become like that. In future, whenever you want to revise the signal and system subject, you just need to bring your classroom notes and just need to turn the pages. Chaliye. So if I the next property is invertible and non-invertible. So a system is said to be invertible if it is possible to generate an input signal from the output of a system. It's very important lines. Please repeat. A system is said to be invertible if it is possible to generate an input signal from the output of a system. कैसे सर कैसे? आज बताते हैं. देखो बच्चों, if this is my system and if I have provided the input signal x of t and this system process this input signal and provided me the output signal yt. Now what is the now condition? This particular system, now I am talking about this system. This system will become invertible system if there is a possible inverse system. If there is a possibility of any inverse system, and that inverse system, if I will apply here, if I will just connect the inverse system here, then I have an opportunity to generate my input signal back. It means this zt is equal to xt and xt only I have provided as an input. So I hope now you are getting. Wherever there is a possibility to generate an inverse system, then only this system will become invertible system. आसान लैंग्वेज में किसी भी सिस्टम का अगर इन्वर्स सिस्टम पॉसिबल है तो वो सिस्टम इन्वर्टिबल सिस्टम है. For any system, if there is any scope, if there is any possibility to generate an inverse system, then that particular system will be represented as a invertible system. I hope you are getting my point, guys. So I am again repeating my sentence. If you wish to write, you can also write the statement. A system is said to be invertible. A system is said to be invertible if it is possible to generate an input signal. If it is possible to generate an input signal from the output of a system. If it is possible to generate an input signal from the output of a system. Yeah. So student, what we can say that for the invertible system, always we are having one-to-one mapping. Always we are having one-to-one mapping. What do you mean by one-to-one mapping? If I am providing x0 input, then it will give me y0 output. If I will provide x1 input, then it will give me y1 output. So for each and every different values of input, I should have a dedicated output. I should have a different output. One-to-one mapping matlab here is one input, one output, other input, other output, other input, other output. It means we are having for each and every possible input combination, we are having a dedicated separate output for the same. So for the invertible system, we are having one-to-one mapping, sir. So we can say that to make a system invertible, we have to follow one-to-one mapping. Now, if we are having one-to-many mapping or we are having many-to-one mapping, if we are having many-to-one mapping in the input-output combination will make the system non-invertible, will make the system NI, non-invertible. How, sir? Suppose that if I am applying x0, I am getting the value of y0. If I am applying the value of x1, I am getting the value of y1. Now, if I am applying the value of x minus 1, to make the system invertible, I should get separately y minus 1. But suppose that x minus 1 value is also equal to y1. So this is many to one. Many matlab two input, one output. So many to one mapping means the system will become non-invertible. So you can also say that for the non-invertible system, there is a no possible, or there is a we can say that there is a not a possibility of an inverse system. There is a no possible inverse system. So if there is a no scope of inverse system, those systems will become non-invertible system. वो सिस्टम जिसका इन्वर्स सिस्टम पॉसिबल नहीं है उस सिस्टम को हम नॉन इन्वर्टिबल सिस्टम बोलते हैं. एंड हाउ टू चेक? So the best way to check is we have to check one-to-one mapping and we have to check the many-to-one mapping. I hope it is clear to you, प्यारे बच्चों. Let me take the first example, yt equal to 2xt. Let me take the first example, yt equal to 2xt. Now tell me, dear student, whether this system is invertible or not. You just need to tell me the system is invertible or not. So if I am suppose that I am applying the input x0, then what I will get the output? I will get the output as a twice x0. If I will apply the input x1, I will get the output, tell me guys, 1 into x1. If I will provide the input as a x minus 1, it means I am replacing t as a minus 1. Here I am putting t equal to 0. Here I am putting t equal to 1. Here I am putting t equal to minus 1. So here also I will get what? Twice, actually here 2 only, and here I will get 2x minus 1 like this. So each and every value, even I can take x2 also, I can take x minus 2 also. So I will get twice into x2, I will get here twice into x minus 2. So what we can say that, sir, here we are having 1 to 1, here we are having what? 1 to 1 mapping, sir. Here we are having 1 to 1 mapping, and 1 to 1 mapping allow us to make the system invertible. So it means that this system is nothing but, invertible. This system is nothing but invertible. I hope it is clear to you guys. I hope it is clear to you, all of you guys. Do reply fast. हाँ या ना बेटा? Now from this example, I think it is clear how to make the system invertible. All of you guys do reply. Shall we go for next? Yes. I think all are able to write in the comment section. Yes, comment section is available for all. Okay. Now student, next question. Let me take other example. So that you will feel the difference also. Purushottam and Vedai, do reply beta parallelly. Do reply. Let me take, if my system equation is yt equal to x square t. Let me take my signal is x square t. Suppose that my signal is x square t. Okay. Now tell me, pyare bachcho, ki what you will get if I will provide the input xt signal as a 1. Xt signal as a 1, then what I will get the output? I will get the output what, guys? 1 ka whole square 1. If I will provide the xt input as a 0, then I will get the output 0. If I will provide xt equal to minus 1, xt value I can take constant value also, na? Yes. So minus 1 ka whole square. Again we are getting plus 1. It means you can say that this one and this one is same. So we can say that, sir, here the output you will get this only, 1 only. So it means many input, 1 output. So here we are having many to 1 mapping. And many to 1 mapping will make the system non-invertible. I hope this is clear to you, beta. Shabash, Purushottam. Non-invertible and non-linear also. Why non-linear? Because square operation applied on the input signal xt will make the system non-linear. I know you know this very well. Yes or no? Chali. Shall we go for next, pyare bachcho? So right now we are having some examples, and very soon we'll discuss the gate PYQs based on the same. Okay? And once the gate question will come now, that time I will expect the response from your side. Okay. Now tell me sin t xt and dxt upon dt. Okay. Let me take the example yt equal to, if I am taking the example, sin of t into x of t. Okay, sir, no problem, sir. Now tell me, bachcho, if I am using ki t equal to 0, sir, then what you will get as a output at t equal to 0, your output will become what? Your input is nothing but x0. Because t equal to 0. So input is x0, then output will become, because you are putting t equal to 0. So here you will get actually, sir, sin 0 into x0. Yeah, you will get this. If I will put t equal to pi, अच्छा, pi बात कर, तो input x pi है, अच्छा, तो t की जगह pi किया तो ये क्या मिला? Sin pi into x pi, ये. And now do you know what is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. So ultimately you will get 0 answer. You know sin pi is also 0. So you will get the same answer. It means 0 is nothing but, it means output is nothing but 0. Yeah. So it means many input, x0 and x pi, 2 inputs, output will be 0. So here again you are having many to 1 mapping. Here again you are having many to 1 mapping, and will make the system non-invertible. Will make the system NI. will make the system NI, non-invertible. It will make the system non-invertible. बोलो बच्चा बोलो, yes or no बेटा? बेटा हाँ या ना? Is it crystal clear प्यारे बच्चों? Just do reply fast. Just do reply fast. Similarly, if I am taking one more example, if IT equal to dxt upon dt, then you need to tell me the system is invertible or non-invertible beta. The system is invertible or non-invertible beta. Because I am taking, I can take the xt as a, I can take xt input as a 1 also, constant value also I can take 5 also. So if I will take input xt as a 1, then the differentiation, constant differentiation is always 0. Even 5 is also a constant, so differentiation will be 0 only. So again, this will also give me non-invertible system. It will also give me non-invertible system. I hope it is clear to you, bacha. So if your basic concept is clear, bacho, if any question will come, you can relate accordingly. The concept is what? If you wish to check whether the system is invertible or non-invertible, very good scholar beta. How to proceed? You just need to check a system is said to be invertible if there is any possibility to generate an input signal from the output of a system. It means whatever output is available to me, if I will do some operation on that, so that I will again generate my input signal like that. So pyare bachcho, just do reply. Here is a very good question. It's a 2 marks question. Do you want to try, guys? I am giving you proper time. Just have a true attempt for this. All of you just try to attempt. I am giving you proper time for the same. Okay. I am expecting that you will try to solve this question at least. At least you will give your 100%. सर हमें इंटरव्यू के लिए भी थोड़ा गाइड कर देते सर. ओके, IISc DSc इंटरव्यू for the Cat 1 scientific assistant. Very nice beta Purushottam. So Purushottam, देखो, if I talk about the interview, technical interview na, so always you should have at least 2 or 3 subject like that. So whenever any examiner will ask about ki which subject you like most, or which subject you have a good knowledge, so at least you have something to tell them. आपके पास कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए. आपको अगर वो पूछे कि which subject is your interesting subject, then if you are saying कि control system, signal system, or whatever like engineering, mathematics or whatever, so at least you should have the good knowledge of that subject. क्योंकि कभी भी इंटरव्यू कोई भी रैंडम क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं पूछेगा. अगर पूछेगा तो आप बोल सकते हो कि I don't have the idea of this particular part. Yes or no? So it is, I am just asking which option is correct. You should reply as a option only, beta. Okay. You should reply which option is correct. Come on. All of you reply fast. Chali. So Purushottam, just tell me which option is correct. A, B, C, D. Vedai beta, reply in comment box which option is correct. It's A, or it's D, or it's B, or it's C. Tell me. Scholar says that A, Vedai says that D. Okay. Now let me check and we will discuss about. So first of all, student, both are the time domain signal. You can agree with me or not? Yes, sir. Yt equal to d by dt e to the power minus txt. So can I write like this, guys? Ki Yt equal to first or second signal differentiation. So I am writing e की power minus t dxt upon dt. One time first signal as it is, second differentiation. And second time xt as it is, and differentiation of second, and it will give me minus e की power minus t. How many of you are getting this? Do reply fast, bacha. How many of you getting this? Yes, yeah. Now student, you can check one by one कि the system is linear or non-linear. Because I told you already that whenever any differentiation or integration operations are always linear. until and unless that the operation directly applied on the x, just like x square t, x cube t, mod of xt. So function of time also can be multiple of x. So this system is 100% linear. This system is 100% linear. So it means the system is non-linear. This option is wrong, sir. We are looking for which one is true. We are looking for which one is true. Okay, sir. And we also know that, student, the system is said to be time variant if input signal xt is multiple of any function of time. If input signal xt is multiple of any function of time, it will make the system, what, guys? Time variant. It will make the system time variant. Yes or no? So what you can say that, sir, here we are having function of time, the input signal xt. So what you can say, the system is 100% time variant. So the system is 100% time variant. The system is 100% time variant. Bolo हाँ या ना? The system is 100% time variant. Yes or no? So it means this option is also wrong, sir. This option is also wrong. Now tell me the next option. The system is stable. The system is stable. Now student, tell me, if I will provide the input signal xt as a ut, if I will provide the xt signal as a ut in terms of here xt replaced with ut, then do you know what is the differentiation of ut? Do you know what is the differentiation of ut? Ut differentiation is nothing but the del t signal. And do you know del t signal is a unbounded signal. Del t signal is a unbounded signal. Why? Because ideally its magnitude goes to infinity at t equal to 0. Ideally its magnitude goes to infinity at t equal to 0. Because ideally its magnitude goes to infinity. Ideally its magnitude goes to infinity at t equal to 0. बोलो 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 बच्चों, is it clear or not बच्चों? बच्चों जरा reply करना फटाफट से. Impulse. So impulse del t is a NENP signal. Del t is a del t. I am talking about continuous time domain. I am not talking about del n. Del n is a bounded. But del t in the time domain, however, in practically we are representing with a area property, and area is unity. You know that. But ideally the magnitude goes to infinity at t equal to 0. So that is why we can say that the system is unstable. The system is unstable. Unstable, because of unstable, the C option is also wrong. Now because it is a MCQ question, and if you are able to eliminate 3 options out of 4, you need not to see the 4th one. You guys, no need to see the 4th one, I am telling you. The system has a memory, and we know that integral and derivative operations are always a dynamic system, are always have a memory system. So it is 100% memory system, sir. So option number D for Delhi is absolutely true, sir. Just clap for Vedai. Shabash Vedai beta, and Purushottam beta. Shabash. Vedai and Purushottam both are correct. Very nice. Shall we go for next, pyare bachcho? Just do reply fast. So student, I am very much happy that you already got the correct answer. Shabash. It means you have already approaches in a correct direction. Just do reply now, N or W. All of you guys just do reply. Shall we go for next? Arre bolo 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 bolo. Shall we go for next? Yes. Chalo. फटाफट से लिखो जरा. In the chat box you should write P1 R1 P2 R2 P3 R3 what you want. Just write down fast. Whatever you want, just write down fast. Whatever you want, just write down fast. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. I am giving you proper time. Don't worry. I am giving you proper time. Don't worry. Give me correct answer. I will show you the options in the next slide. You just write the combination that P1 goes to R2 or R1 or R3 or R4. Similarly, P2 goes to R3, R4, R2. What? So whatever the combination, you should write in the chat box. And also, student, whenever if you have attended my any previous classes, whether offline, online, if you are my classroom student, ex-student, present student, whatever your honest response, whatever your true feeling, you should definitely share in the comment section of the videos, guys. And whether if you are not able to comment, then just let me know. Sometimes we have a YouTube settings also such like that, so the students are not able to comment. So if any student facing the challenge that, sir, we are not able to comment, then just let me know. I have to check the back-end technical part. Do reply fast. Just attempt it. चलिए बच्चों, क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है यार. P1 R1, P2 R3, P3 scholar, very nice. You have attempted very nice, shabash. So whenever such type of question will come, what is the best approach to solve? You have to just write on each and every R1, R2, R3, whatever the property you should write down. After that you can easily compare. So yt equal to t square xt, I am talking about linear time invariant. Acha. It means you know that sir, t square is a multiple of xt, so it is 100% linear. 100% linear because square operation is not applied on x. Function of t can be multiple of xt. It doesn't affect the linearity property. 100% linear, sir. Because of function of time t square is a multiple of xt, will make the system tv, time variant. So it is linear plus time variant. Yeah, linear plus time variant. Shabash. The next is t mode of xt. Because of mode operation directly applied on xt will make the system non-linear. Plus because of function of t, txt, because of t is a multiple of xt, because t is the multiple of xt, the system will be tv. Oh. Here only mode of xt. Acha. Only mode of xt, matlab only non-linear. There is no function of time. There is no function of time multiple of xt, and there is no operation applied on the independent variable time. It means whatever t is present in the bracket, in the small bracket, it is only t. It is not t square. It is not mod t. It is not 2t. So that is why the 100% system is time invariant. TV, TIV, time invariant. Yeah. You know that pure time shifting. We have noted this statement earlier. Earlier classes we have noted this sentence. The pure matlab only. Pure time shifting does not affect the time invariant property. Time shifting, time scaling, time reversal are always linear. Oh, maza aa gaya. So it means the last one is linear also and time invariant also. Acha, yeah. So now you can match, guys. Now you can match linear but time variant. Acha. So P1 goes to R1. P1 goes to 100% R1. The next is the P2 is nothing but non-linear and time invariant. Oh, it means P2 goes to R3. क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है. चेक करो अपना आंसर चेक करिए. linear and time invariant. So P3 goes to R4. ये. So P1 R1, P2 R3, P1 R1, P1 R1, P1 R1, P2 R3, P3 R4. Option number A for Ahmedabad is absolutely correct. Shabash. Purushottam, scholar, Vaidehi, just do reply. You are getting the same to same or not, beta? All of you guys just do reply. You are getting same to same or not? You all are getting same to same. Hi, Anna. All of you guys, please do reply. NOW. Come on. NOW. रिप्लाई तो करना पड़ेगा ना आपको. All of you should reply fast. All of you guys, sir, I made a mistake. Okay, Vedai, no problem, beta. Vedai, the main focus is what? We have to learn from the mistake. Without hesitate, you have to do mistake even also. You have to give your true attempt. So student, jo bhi, whatever the scope of mistake, you have to just do in the learning phase only, so that in the actual exam there will be no scope of mistake. And I am always telling my dear student, if you are giving your honest attempt, sometime you will get correct answer, sometime you will not get, but both the times you will have a proper learning. Both the time you are having learning. But I corrected it. Shabash, very good, Vedai, shabash. So now beta NOW, Vedai already told answer. Easiest question ever. You can solve this question without using notebook and pen within 5 seconds. If you are not solved the question within 5 seconds, you are not my student, I am telling you. You are not my regular student if you are not able to solve this question in 5 seconds. आप मेरे स्टूडेंट हो ही नहीं सकते अगर ये क्वेश्चन 5 सेकंड में नहीं उड़ा सकते तो हवा में उड़ा के बताओ इसको, और बताओ पूरे इंडिया को बच्चों, बताओ पूरे इंडिया को the signals and system. If you want to learn in a amazing way signal control digital, one and only one solution, IMS Gate Academy, अंकुर शर्मा सर. जरा दहाड़ के बताओ सब लोगों को, और अगर कोई ज्यादा बोले तो बताओ काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. just spread this information if and only if you actually feel that कि yes I am benefited with Ankur sir lectures, then only you need to share, otherwise no need to share. okay guys, जिस दिन आपको दिल से लग जाए कि सर मजा आ गया सर, उस दिन रुकना नहीं है, सबको रोक रोक के बताना है, रोक रोक के, अरे कहाँ जा रहा है, इधर सिग्नल एंड सिस्टम अंकुर सर से पढ़ना है, IMS गेट अकेडमी चैनल, IMS गेट अकेडमी बैंगलोर. ओके बच्चों, बताओ सब लोगों को. शैल वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट? डू रिप्लाई फास्ट. ओहो हो, करेक्ट आंसर. इतना आसान क्वेश्चन था, उड़ा दिया सर. चेन्नई सुपर किंग CSK. ओहो, CSK जीत गया कल सर, मजा आ गया सर. CSK. चलिए, the input output continuous time respectively noted xt yt which one of the following option. अच्छा तो t minus 2 because of t plus 4 the system is non-causal. Because a system is said to be causal if the output of a system is only and only depending on the present and past values of input. Sir, interview will schedule few days. Sir, please sir, time duration increase कर दीजिए. कर दिया increase, कर दिया, आज से कर दिया. ठीक है बच्चों, तो डोंट वरी, increase कर देंगे, डोंट वरी, सब कुछ कर देंगे, बट आपको रेगुलर रहना है. You have to be regular. You don't miss any single class. You just give me a promise. And you should also give me a promise. Ki sir, wherever we will get the opportunity, we'll try to share our experience as maximum as possible. जिस भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज को हम जानते हैं, जिस भी कलीग्स को हम जानते, जो भी हमारे जूनियर्स हैं, सबको चला चला के बताएंगे, जा के बताएंगे, दहाड़ के बताएंगे, बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस से बताएंगे, आंखों में आंखें डाल के बताएंगे. और कोई ज्यादा बोलेगा तो वहां डायलॉग लिख देंगे, काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. शाबाश, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. शैल वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट गाइस? चलिए. सो ए सिस्टम इज सेड टू बी कॉजल इफ द आउटपुट ऑफ ए सिस्टम इज only depends on the present and past value. If output of a system depending on the future values of input will make the system non-causal. ये बताओ जरा फटाफट से. The impulse response HT, however this is the LTI system concept, but the concept is same. Here also we have to check to make the system bounded only. Bounded means e to the power alpha t ut, it means alpha should be negative, because e to the power minus alpha t ut, you will get the bounded curve only. And e to the power beta t u minus t, so here sir beta should be positive na sir, because if beta is positive na sir, you will get a bounded curve. So e to the power minus alpha t ut मतलब कर्व कैसा, कर्व ऐसा, और e to the power beta t u minus t मतलब कर्व कैसा, कर्व ऐसा. So this curve रिप्रेजेंटिंग e की पावर प्लस बीटा टी यू ऑफ माइनस टी. अच्छा हाँ, ये e की पावर माइनस अल्फा टी यू टी, ये का मतलब अल्फा नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, बीटा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. क्या बात कर रहे हो सर? हाँ, तो अल्फा नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, बीटा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, ऑप्शन नंबर डी फॉर दिल्ली होना चाहिए. टू मेक द सिस्टम स्टेबल, इम्पल्स रेस्पॉन्स शुड बी एब्सोल्युटली इंटीग्रेबल. चन्नी विहार विनार सर मतलब क्या होता है इसका? चन्नी विनार मतलब Purushottam, what is the meaning of this? Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Do reply fast. Be active, alert, energetic. You guys be active, alert and energetic. I need your energy guys. बताइए जरा यहाँ फटाफट. The system with the input xt and output. A system with the input xt and the output yt is defined by the input output relations. So yt equal to minus infinity to minus 2t x to dto. बहुत जल्दी बताओ. minus 2t, मजा आ रहा है सर, x2 into dto. Because of the integration 100% the system is linear sir. 100% system is linear sir. अच्छा linear तो पूछा नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, जो पूछा बताओ. Because of the scaling and reversal operation involved in the integration limit will make the system TV time variant. Will make the system time variant. Oh ho, मजा आ गया. चलिए आगे चलिए. System is stable or not? If I will replace my input signal x2 as a u2. If I will replace my input signal x2 as a u2, मतलब if I will replace my input signal as a bounded signal, it will generate the integration. So constant value integration, you will get the T nature, and T nature, it means the system will be unstable. It means the system will be unstable. Yeah. So it will be linear. The causal, non-causal, because of it is multiple of 2. Time scaling will always non-causal. Non-causal. So answer is what, बच्चों? Answer is what रे यार? Non-causal, time variant, unstable. Option number D for Delhi. क्या बोलते हो बच्चा? All of you guys do reply fast. Option number D for Delhi. क्या बात है वैदेही? वैदेही and पुरुषोत्तम. Do you already got the question answer बच्चा? Do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next beta? All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? All of you guys just do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next? Reply करेंगे फटाफट से. चलिए. बताइए जरा इसका आंसर. क्वेश्चन already we have completed. पुरुषोत्तम वेदे already we have completed. I am expecting correct option from you बेटा. I am expecting correct option within 10 seconds. 10 सेकंड में भी करना है, करेक्ट भी करना है. वही तो बहादुरी है यार. एक 2 मिनट के क्वेश्चन को 10 सेकंड में उड़ाना. द ब्यूटी ऑफ अंकुर सर क्लासेस. ये एक 2 मिनट के क्वेश्चन को 10 सेकंड में करना बहादुरी का काम है. एंड दैट इज द मैजिक ऑफ आवर क्लासेस माय डियर स्टूडेंट. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ आवर क्लासेस. बताओ 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 बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. Input xt and output yt of a system related to this. अच्छा, it means sir whenever 100% linear it is 100% linear. वैसे पूछा नहीं है, पूछा तो बोल देते linear है. x2 cos2 function of time is multiple of xt will make the system time variant. And if I will take x2 as a cos 3 I will get the system unstable because I will get the unbounded nature of output. So time variant and unstable. Time variant and unstable. Time variant मतलब not time invariant and unstable मतलब not stable. Option number D for Delhi. Option number. क्या बात है यार वैदेही, शाबाश वैदेही and पुरुषोत्तम. I am expecting answer from you all guys. Sincere, your true attempt. I need your true attempt. Everyone should give your sincere attempt. All of you guys do reply fast. Shall we go for next? बोल नहीं रहे हो यार, बोल नहीं रहे हो. देख रहा हूं मैं, बोल नहीं रहे हो. Shall we go for next? चलिए सर आगे चलिए. ओके सर, ये बताइए जरा. Consider a continuous time system with the input xt and output yt given by this. yt equal to xt dot cos of t. अगर ये क्वेश्चन 5 सेकंड में नहीं हुआ, you are not my student. I am telling you. If you are my regular student, you can solve this question without using notebook and pen. You can solve this question actually in 5 seconds. xt cos of t 100% linear, sir. And because of function of time cos t is multiple of xt will make the system time variant, sir. Correct answer is your favorite team CSK. CSK. Linear and time varying. Linear and time varying Chennai Super King. Linear and time varying. क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर, शाबाश, very good. CSK. All of you guys do reply. Shall we go for next? All of you guys just do reply. Shall we go for next? Please do reply guys. NOW. चलिए. The input xt and the output yt of a continuous time system are related as yt equal to t minus capital T to small t xu du. The system is, बताओ जरा, in the limit we don't have scaling factor. In both the limit, lower limit, upper limit, we don't have scaling factor, we don't have reversal factor. And you know that pure time shifting is allowed, pure time shifting is allowed to make the system time invariant. And integral functions are always linear. नॉन लीनियर मतलब ये COD तो गया सर, ये तो गया, रॉन्ग है. अब या तो A करेक्ट या तो B करेक्ट, बताओ कौन सा करेक्ट है, या तो A या तो B, बताओ जरा. It is 100%, it is 100% linear, it is 100% linear, it is 100% linear. Why 100% linear? Why 100% linear? Why 100% linear? Because pure integral and derivative functions are always linear. Sir, बताओ जरा आंसर A और B. Which option is correct beta? Which option is correct beta? Do reply fast. All of you guys do reply fast. 100% time invariant, sir. Option number B for Bombay is absolutely correct, sir. Because you know that, sir, here we have no function of time multiple with xu. No function of time multiple with xu. As well as the upper limit and lower limit also having the pure time shifting is allowed. There is no reversal, there is no scaling. So it is 100% time invariant and linear, of course. So option number B for Bombay is correct. Whenever the properties of system question will come, you have a scope to solve the question within 10 or 5 seconds, because there is a no scope of calculation. If you know the concept, if you have a strong concept of properties of system, you are eligible to solve the question without using notebook and pen, and that is called hawa mein udana. You can solve the question in air बच्चों, हवा में उड़ा देंगे, हवा में उड़ा देंगे, क्वेश्चन को हवा में उड़ा देंगे सर. चलिए बताइए जरा फटाफट से, ये तो बड़ा ही आसान अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. Continuous time, however, it has the dependency on the Laplace transform concept. So I am just telling you, there is no BIBO, because this is a question of right half of the complex S plane. However, this question I should take in the Laplace transform, but right now I am just telling you one thing. Whenever you learn the control system, you generally heard one statement कि whenever a single pole मतलब roots of denominator, whenever a single pole lie in the RHS of S plane will make the system unstable. ये हमने सुना है कि कोई भी पोल अगर RHS में आएगा तो सिस्टम को अनस्टेबल कर देता है. ये हमने कंट्रोल सिस्टम में बहुत बार सुना है, राउथ हर्विट्ज, रूट लोकस, हमने सब सुना है. और कहीं ना कहीं ये सुनते हैं तो ये चीजें माइंड में रह जाती है. तो क्या सुना है हमने कि कोई भी एक सिंगल पोल अगर RHS ऑफ द एस प्लेन में है तो सिस्टम को क्या कर देता है, अनस्टेबल कर देता है. इट मींस टू मेक द सिस्टम स्टेबल, ऑल द पोल्स should exist in the left hand side of the S plane. ये हमने सुना है, ये हमने कंट्रोल सिस्टम में सुना है, ये हमने कहाँ सुना है, कंट्रोल सिस्टम में सुना है, ये हमने राउथ हर्विट्ज में सुना है, ये हमने राउथ हर्विट्ज में सुना है, रूट लोकस में सुना है. बोलो हाँ या ना, यस और नो में रिप्लाई करेंगे यार पुरुषोत्तम, यस और नो. यस. So what about the first statement? There is no stable system, there is no BIBO stable system possible. There is no BIBO stable system with a pole lie in the RHS of the complex S plane. Tell me the first statement is wrong or correct. Tell me the first statement is true or false. Tell me the first statement is true or false. Do reply fast. The first statement is true or false. All of you guys do reply fast, yes or no. True or false? True. Now true. The script says that true. Shabash, very good. there is no causal BIBO stable system possible which has the pole lie in the complex plane. So what I want to tell you guys, in this question there is a scope of mistake. There is a scope of mistake. Many students will commit mistake in this question. Vedai, Purushottam and Scholar, you are saying true, true, true. But there is a trap. What is the trap? I'm just telling you trap. Okay. Tell me, what about this e की power at and u minus t? It is stable or unstable? Tell me. It is bounded or unbounded? Tell me. So you will say that, sir, it is stable, sir, and it is bounded also, sir. It is stable also, it is bounded also, sir. E की power at u minus t is bounded. Now tell me, what is its Laplace transform? Its Laplace transform is nothing but 1 upon minus s plus a. Yeah. So when you will take minus common, you will get actually s minus a. And when you will find the pole, पोल मतलब s माइनस ए को जीरो करो, तो पोल कहाँ आया? पोल आया s इक्वल टू प्लस ए का मतलब राइट हैंड साइड. तो बताओ ये पोल कहाँ है? ये पोल एग्जिस्ट इन RHS ऑफ एस प्लेन. RHS ऑफ एस प्लेन. एंड टेल मी, जो यहाँ पे स्टेबल था वो यहाँ भी स्टेबल होगा. इट मीन्स ये रहा वो सिस्टम, जिसका पोल RHS में है लेकिन सिस्टम स्टेबल है. हो गजब कर दिया सर, आपने तो जज्बात बदल दिए सर, हालात बदल दिए सर, मजा आ गया. बताओ जरा. 99% स्टूडेंट आर थिंकिंग दैट कि सर कंट्रोल सिस्टम में ये सुना है सर हमने, फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ है सर ये, कि अगर एक भी पोल RHS में आएगा सिस्टम को अनस्टेबल कर देता है. ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम में फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ है. ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम में फंडामेंटल ट्रूथ है, सिग्नल सिस्टम में नहीं है, कंट्रोल सिस्टम में है. क्यों सर? कंट्रोल सिस्टम में क्यों है सर, सिग्नल में क्यों नहीं, कंट्रोल में क्यों है सर? क्योंकि एक और वर्ड जो बोलने वाला बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि कंट्रोल सिस्टम में हमेशा कोजल सिस्टम की बात होती है. कंट्रोल सिस्टम में हमेशा 0 से इंफिनिटी रीजन की बात होती है. कंट्रोल सिस्टम में हमेशा कोजल सिग्नल की बात होती है. इन कंट्रोल सिस्टम वी आर ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट कोजल सिग्नल्स, कोजल सिस्टम. 0 प्लस रीजन, 0 टू इंफिनिटी. ओहो गजब हो गया सर. इसका मतलब आप ये बोलना चाहते हो, इसका मतलब आप ये बोलना चाह रहे हो कि कंट्रोल सिस्टम में क्योंकि सारे सिस्टम कोजल सिस्टम होते हैं, इसलिए स्टेबल बनने के लिए सारे पोल LHS में चाहिए. हाँ ये बोल रहे हैं. वापस सुनो, ध्यान से सुनो, कान खोल के सुनो. क्योंकि ये कंसेप्ट नहीं मिलेंगे बुक्स में बच्चों. यही तो ब्यूटी है. इट इज जस्ट द ट्रेलर. पूरी पिक्चर देखोगे बच्चों, खड़े होके दहाड़ोगे. अंकुर सर को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. अंकुर सर के प्रीवियस स्टूडेंट ना चिल्ला के बोलते हैं, दिल से आवाज निकलती है उनके कि सर क्या पढ़ा दिया आपने, क्या पढ़ा दिया सर. चलिए मैनी स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए नाउ स्टूडेंट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, आई एम जस्ट रिपीटिंग दिस. In a control system, it is a fundamental truth that whenever any single pole lie in the RHS of S plane will make the system unstable. Why? Because in control system, how to remember for a long time, control system, control, word starting from C. वो C आपको हर वक्त ये याद दिलाना चाहिए कि ये C का मतलब कोजल है. कोजल मतलब कभी नहीं भूलोगे, कोजल मतलब राइट साइड, 0 टू इंफिनिटी रीजन. मतलब कंट्रोल सिस्टम में कभी नॉन कोजल सिस्टम की बात नहीं होगी, कंट्रोल सिस्टम में कोजल सिस्टम की बात होगी. और ऐसा कोई दुनिया में कोजल सिस्टम पॉसिबल नहीं है जिसका पोल RHS में आ जाए और वो स्टेबल हो जाए. इसका मतलब आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो? साफ बोलो सर, साफ बोलो सर. इसका मतलब क्या आप ये बोलना चाहते हो कि अगर कोई नॉन कोजल सिस्टम है, तो उसका पोल RHS में हो सकता है और वो स्टेबल भी हो सकता है? यस. इसका मतलब देयर इज ए पॉसिबल नॉन कोजल स्टेबल सिस्टम. I am again repeating my sentence. There is a possible non-causal. ये रहा non-causal system. ये non-causal है. U-T non-causal. There is a possible non-causal system. There is a possible non-causal stable system. There is a possible non-causal stable system which has pole lie in RHS of the S plane. which has pole lie in RHS of S-plane. There is a non-causal stable system. There is a non-causal stable system which is having the pole lie in right half of the S-plane. It means statement number 2 is correct. And if the statement number 2 is correct, it is itself a reason statement number 1 cannot be correct. Why? Because there is no BIBO stable system with the pole line RHS. Yes, ऐसा है ना सिस्टम, ऐसा है. अगर यहाँ ये लिखा होता कि there is no BIBO causal, there is no BIBO causal stable system, there is no BIBO causal stable, ये करेक्ट होता. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 विल बी करेक्ट. अगर ये लिखा होता कि there is no BIBO causal stable system with the pole lie in the RHS of the S-plane. बात समझ में आ गया. अगर कोई सिस्टम कोजल है, अगर कोई सिस्टम कोजल है तो उसको स्टेबल बनाने के लिए सारे पोल LHS में होने चाहिए. लेकिन अगर कोई सिस्टम नॉन कोजल है तो उसको स्टेबल बनाने के लिए पोल राइट हैंड साइड में होने चाहिए. तो स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 इज रॉन्ग हियर. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 इज ओनली करेक्ट. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी फॉर दिल्ली. ओनली सेकंड इज ट्रू. ओनली सेकंड इज ट्रू. बेटा गेटिंग और नॉट? ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस गेटिंग और नॉट? डू रिप्लाई फास्ट. मैं बोल रहा हूं डू रिप्लाई फास्ट रे. बच्चे तो बोल ही नहीं रहे. All of you guys do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next? Come on, come on, come on. Shall we go for next? बच्चों do reply fast. NOW. चलिए. सो बच्चों आज हमको LTI सिस्टम मतलब कन्वोल्यूशन स्टार्ट करना था, बट बाय द वे हम कन्वोल्यूशन स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाए. हम कन्वोल्यूशन स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाए. द रीज़न इज हमारा LTI सिस्टम के स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सिस्टम के गेट क्वेश्चंस बाकी थे जो हम आज कर रहे थे. तो हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. नेक्स्ट क्लास मतलब टुमारो मॉर्निंग 11 AM हम मिलेंगे. कल सुबह 11 बजे हम मिलेंगे. कल सुबह 11 बजे हम मिलेंगे और बात करेंगे LTI सिस्टम की. ओके चलिए. जाते जाते चलते जाते ये क्वेश्चन बता दो यार. ये क्वेश्चन बता दो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आज की क्लास का. आज की क्लास का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है और गेट PYQ लास्ट ईयर है. लास्ट ईयर गेट PYQ है. लास्ट ईयर गेट PYQ हवा में उड़ा देना बच्चों. दिस इज द गिफ्ट फ्रॉम योर साइड. अगर आज का क्लास शिद्दत से अटेंड किए हो, ये क्वेश्चन बिना पेन कॉपी के हो जाएगा. Without notebook and pen, you can solve this question if you have attended full of sincerity. Just do reply fast. Based on the given condition, system is not LTI. LTI मतलब लीनियर भी ना हो, टाइम इनवेरिएंट भी ना हो. इसका मतलब नॉन लीनियर भी हो और टाइम वेरिएंट भी हो. अच्छा नॉन लीनियर भी हो और टाइम वेरिएंट भी. अच्छा इट इज MSQ. और तो बता दो. MSQ बोल रहा हूं मैं. MSQ हो सकता है. MSQ हो सकता है. Because the system is not LTI system. Not LTI system. तो ये पहला वाला पता है साइन माइनस टी. ये लीनियर तो है बट ये टाइम वेरिएंट है. तो ये नॉट LTI सिस्टम हो गया. पता है ओहो ये नॉट LTI हो गया. ये नॉट LTI हो गया. पहला कॉम्बिनेशन मिल गया आपको साइन माइनस टी. बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम रिवर्सल इट इज टाइम वेरिएंट. सो इट इज नॉन LTI हो गया. ये बताओ साइन टी प्लस वन लीनियर भी है और प्योर टाइम शिफ्टिंग टाइम इन्वेरिएंट भी है. तो ये तो आपका LTI हो गया बच्चों. ये तो आपका LTI हो गया. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ LTI हो गया. ये बताओ साइन 2t बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम स्केलिंग. ये लीनियर तो है बट बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम स्केलिंग ये TV हो गया. तो ये नॉन LTI सिस्टम हो गया. तो ये नॉट LTI हो गया. ये भी. अरे सर मजा ही आ गया सर. आज तो सर मजा ही आ रहा है सर हमको. क्या बात कर. और पता है लास्ट क्या है? लास्ट आपको शायद नहीं दिख रहा होगा. लास्ट है साइन स्क्वायर टी. लास्ट यहाँ है साइन स्क्वायर टी. और बिकॉज ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑपरेशन इट इज नॉन लीनियर बट टाइम इन्वेरिएंट. तो ये भी आपका नॉट LTI हो गया. तो LTI केवल B है. LTI केवल ये है S2 वाला LTI है. बाकी S1 S3 S4 नॉट LTI है. तो S1 S3 S4 नॉन LTI है. तो ये MSQ है. MSQ का आंसर A भी है, C भी है, D भी है. ओ हो मजा आ गया सर. मजा आ गया. वेरी करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी नाइस. मैंने बोला वेरी नाइस. क्या बात है. So I think आप लोगों ने आज का lecture, I hope you all guys enjoy today's lecture. I hope you all guys learn many important concepts today's class. Okay बच्चों, so honestly just give your true experience. If you wish to say thanks, there is only one way to say thanks. You need to spread your experience, you need to share your experience as maximum as possible. And those who are looking for the complete structure GATE preparation for 24-25, जो कुछ लाइफ में कमी नहीं छोड़ना चाहते, you can join today IMS GATE Academy. You can contact to or given counselors. The number is also given to the red strip. You can tell them that I am Ankur sir student. They will also provide you the maximum benefits. Okay, you can tell them I am the ex Ankur sir students. I want to get the admission. So they will guide you in all the best possible way. Okay, bachcho. And whatever your doubts coming in your mind, you can ask them without hesitation. Once you will take the admission, you will get the 26 to 30 hard copy of booklet. You will get the theory book, you will get the structure exercise book dedicated for the GATE exam. You will get the 4000 plus practice question. You will get 130 plus test series. You will get subject level advanced test. You will get multiple subject test, full length test. You will get my plan mentorship session. You will get dedicated platform for your doubts. You have opportunity to attach your doubts in a doubt solving portal. Your doubt get resolved by the mentors, by the senior subject matter expert team as early as possible. चलिए बच्चों, thank you so much to all of you. Bye bye, love you, take care. We'll meet tomorrow morning 11 AM with full of energy. ना दहाड़ के बताओ यार बच्चों, ना दहाड़ के बताओ यार. How's the Josh? How's the confidence, bachcho? How the Josh? Just do reply in chat box. That's all from today's class. Bye bye. Take care. काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. Thank you. Bye bye. That's all from today's class. Purushottam, whether do reply. Do reply. चलिए. Welcome, welcome, scholar. Welcome.